Good morning, dear student. This is the third part of the chapter number 1, that is the networking concept. In this video, we discussed about the network components. Network components include hardware like computer, peripheral devices, interface card, and other equipment that are required for communication and data sharing. It means that when we are designing a network for sharing the data or for the communication, then we have need some hardware components like computer, laptop, printer, peripheral devices, NIC, interface card, and other equipments. So these hardware components are known as the hardware parts are known as the network components. The first network components that is important, that is NIC, network interface card. NIC provide interconnection between the network and the computer. Means that this hardware is built in on the motherboard of the computer, and it connects the computer to the network. Most computer motherboards usually have the built-in. It means that the latest the computers which comes in the market, which have inbuilt NIC cards. In the previous versions of the computer, we have to add from external sources, so we have to face the problem. But nowadays the latest version of the computers have the inbuilt NIC cards. This is the photo of figure of the NIC. Uh, this is built on or established on the motherboard of the computer. Next one is the network cable. We need a network cable to connect the NIC to the hub. It means that our computer to the another component that is known as the hub. The most important network cable is the registered jack, means that RJ45 cable, which is used for connecting the NIC to the hub, is an 8-wire network cable. It is an 8-wire network cable. This is the example, which we connect the computers to the other computers to the RJ45 cable. Hub, it is a computer device which connects the several devices to exchange the data between them. Means that the hub is a component of the network through which we can add several devices to exchange the data between them. These hubs has some ports, like the hubs which comes in the market have 6 port, 8 port, 12 port, and 24 ports, and so on, which determine the number of devices to the connected. Means that if you are required to create a network in which you add 12 computers, then we have to purchase the hub that is have 12 ports. So this is the figure which is so the hub. Next one is the switch. Switch is the similar as the hub. Switch is the similar as the hub, but the functions is similar, but the intelligent as compared to that. Means that the switch is more intelligent, more efficiency of working is than the hub. It means that in the hub, when we transfer the information from one system to another, then hub do a job that automatically send the that information to that node or node computer that computers need. But in the switch that the data are transferred in the form of the packets as they arrive, but also determines the source of the destination. Means that switch determines the where the this data is transferred before sharing them. Switches are preferred over the hubs due to their efficiency. Switch prevents the data collision. It means that switch is more efficient, more usable as compared to the hub, because in this the data collisions and the network congestions are reduces. So the performance of the data transmission is very nice in the through the switches. This is the difference between the hub and the switch. Next one is the network architecture, means how we design the network. It refers to the overall of an organization computer network, means that how a computer network is created. It includes the following: hardware components used for the communication, means that these components, wire and wireless connections, topology and the protocols. Next one is the types of the network architecture, that is the types in which we design the network, that is a peer-to-peer connection or the client servers architecture. These two architectures we discuss in the next video. I hope that all of you understand it's very carefully. uh, in the next video we discuss about the these types of networks, that is peer-to-peer and the client server. Thank you.